Back in 2008, a man named Rick Pollack came to our fab lab. He'd been bootstrapping his own small business out of his garage, making components for 3D printers, but he was doing it one part at a time. So when he came to the fab lab, where he had access to our superior laser cutting machines, he jumped at the chance to augment his equipment. Beyond giving him access to cutting-edge technologies and fabrication machining, he said it was an enlightening moment to see what was available to the community as a free resource, although he did pay $100 to take a fabrication course. Fast forward 11 years, his company is MakerGear. It's located right here in Northeast Ohio. He's a thriving manufacturer of industrial as well as desktop 3D printers. He sells thousands a year. Listen to a few minutes about Rick.
I'm holding the MakerGear Mosaic. This was our first 3D printer, and much of this was made at the LCCC Fab Lab. This is the MakerGear Ultra 1. We released it this year. So this is 10 years ago, and this is today. This is what helped bring desktop 3D printing to the masses. One of the truly great applications will be in medicine. So if you need a custom hip replacement, they can scan you and print one that exactly fits you. There's a dental lab. They have like 70 of our printers, and they're printing teeth on these printers every day, and they do the actual dental work on the teeth. I think if you look around all the machines we're building every day, how they're being used in just a broad set of applications, super proud of that. If I had not been exposed to the Lorain County Community College Fab Lab, MakerGear would not exist.